Hi, welcome to I1 Auto. This is 2008 Toyota Sienna 3.3 liter. I'm gonna replace a starter today. So step by step, easy way how to change the starter for Toyota Sienna. First of all, we need to take the battery off. So there's a 10mm bolt right there. Loosen up this. Battery negative off first. Bolt right here. Just loosen up. There we go. To that. Loosen up the positive. Go. Better it out. So I'm gonna do the easy way. Some people take like whole thing out, like they take whole filter housing out. But I'm gonna replace without take the filter housing, because this filter housing is like a pain when you take this off. After that, you see this plate. Take the plate out. You need to take this off as well. Two 10mm bolt, one here, one there. Take that one out. After that, just pry this out. Take this two 10mm bolt for this bracket. Well, out. Take this bracket, easily come out. Later on, you just pull this, so it came out easily. After that, see, you get the access to the starter. This is the starter right here. There's a two 14mm bolts. One on this side, one on the other side. And then we just unhook this. Just push right there. See, this came out. Just push the tab and pull it. Then one 10mm bolt right there. You need to take it off. I think this is 12mm. They usually is 12 or 13. Sometimes when you see the 10mm bolt, just take this bolt out. This one is taken. Then just pull this. It's a little washer too. Don't lose the washer. I mean, if you put the new one, they give you a washer. The nut. Just pull it like this. So there's a two 14mm bolt. Like this right there. This is the one 14mm. On the other side, there's the one other side 14mm. See, there's a one 14mm on the other side right there. See this one 14mm right here. Need to take this off and take this one off right there. I'm taking out that 14mm. There. So out. So one ball is out. I'm going to take the other one is out. And just take the other this bolt out. Use by hand. It's out. After that, just wiggle a little bit. There we go. That's the starter. So before you put anything back, like battery and the bracket, show you the bracket. So before you put this bracket back in here, first of all, put this breathing tube first, right there. If you put the bracket, there is little problem to go in. When you put this breathing tube in, see right there, there's a little hole right there. The hole will be attached in here. So there's a little tank right here. So remember that. Just put this inside there over there. See? It's went inside. So you put it in. Reverse is removable. When you put it back, just reverse is removable. Just put this in and tie this 14mm bolt and tie this knot and just hook it up this terminal. After that, just put one by one the battery and everything is put it back. That's how you replace starter Toyota Sienna. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.